Welcome to 5923 East 186th Street South in Bixby. With 3 beds, 2.5 baths, and 3,000 square feet of move-in ready luxury living, you, your family, and friends will love your new estate sitting on 2.5 acres. Inside, this home impresses with high-end finishes, gorgeous hardwoods, and a fantastic floor plan for family and entertaining. An open concept main living area features soaring high ceilings, a stunning floor-to-ceiling fireplace, granite kitchen, and a breakfast nook with the perfect view of beautiful pastures. The main floor master suite enjoys plenty of privacy, space, a spa-like master bath, and a huge walk-in. During your personal tour, don't miss the formal dining, gigantic upstairs game room, and the covered back patio where you'll enjoy sunset views with drinks and dessert after dinner. For more information, contact Greg Gansko with the G7 Group at Coldwell Banker Select. And for your lending needs, reach out to Larry Miller with AMC Mortgage.